What's happening, guys? Welcome to part 5 in the series on how to build a stock news crawler using IBM Watson Discovery. In the last video, we looked at how to build some basic queries and how to sort of traverse through your data. In this video, what we're going to take a look at is how to build some more advanced queries, and really that's to do with building aggregations and starting to use the filter functionality. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're starting off at the query page where you can start building queries. So if you're not sure how to get to here, it's basically, so start off with your collections, hit your collection, and hit the query button over here, and you're back to square one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to build or start using the aggregation functionality. Now the aggregation functionality is actually pretty cool. So it actually allows you to get some summary statistics and metrics on your data. So in this case, what we want to actually do is build a query that allows us to take a look at the top authors within our documents. And then what we're going to do is we're going to expand on that query and take a look at what are the topics those authors continuously write about. So we can sort of get a little bit of insight as to whether or not those authors are a little bit biased. So let's take a look at how we build that query. So the first thing that we want to do is hit include analysis of your results. So if you cast your mind back to the previous video, that button basically allows us to enable the aggregation functionality. So we're going to hit that, and straight away we're going to get the box query builder. So now what we want to do is we want to get first up the top authors within our document. So we can do that by searching for author, and this is within the extracted metadata. So if we hit that, it should give us our top authors straight away. And you can see here our top authors are Brian O'Connell, Catherine Ross, the Streetwire, that looks like it's probably pulling up a website, but we've got each of those top authors. Now that's pretty clearly given us our first level result, but now we want to add in some extras. Basically, we want to add in the ability to see what topics those authors have written. So what we can actually do is add in a child aggregation, which allows us to add in a sublayer to our initial sort of statistics. So in this case, what we want to do is type in category. So we want to get the category label, and this will give us each of the categories that these top authors are writing about. So if we hit that,